Welcome to my honest review of eToro. If you're looking to start trading but don't know where to begin, you've probably come across eToro, a platform that's known for its innovative copy trading feature. But is it the right choice for you? Let's dive in. What makes eToro stand out? eToro is one of the leading social trading platforms, making it easier for beginners to start investing. One of its biggest draws is copy trading, where you can follow and replicate the trades of experienced investors. You don't need to be a market expert to potentially profit from other traders' strategies. The platform also offers commission-free trading for stocks, making it attractive for those who want to keep costs low. Advantages of eToro copy trading. The standout feature. You can copy successful traders with just a few clicks. User-friendly interface. eToro is designed to be easy to use, even for those who are completely new to trading. Diverse asset selection. Trade stocks, ETFs, crypto, and more in one place. Commission-free trading. No fees on stock trading, which helps you keep more of your profits. Regulated and trusted. eToro is regulated in multiple countries, making it a safer choice for trading. Disadvantages: high withdrawal fees. $5 withdrawal fee may seem small but adds up if you're not careful. Inactivity fees. If you don't log in for a year, you could face inactivity charges. Crypto fees. Trading crypto on eToro comes with higher spreads than some other platforms. How does eToro work? Once you've created an account, you can explore different assets to trade or invest in. If you're unsure about your strategy, you can check out the Popular Investors section, where you'll find successful traders whose trades you can copy in real time. With just a few clicks, their trades automatically mirror in your account. What's the cost of trading on eToro? While stock trading is commission-free, the platform makes money through spreads, which can be higher than average in the crypto market. You should also be aware of the $5 withdrawal fee and a small conversion fee for non-USD currencies. But what about Prime XBT? Are you tired of the ups and downs of trading and constantly analyzing market trends? Prime XBT offers a seamless solution. Copy the trades of experienced, successful traders and replicate their strategies automatically. With Prime XBT, you can step up your trading game without all the hassle. Just register, make a deposit, and start copying winning trades today. eToro is perfect for those just starting out or wanting to dip their toes into multiple markets without the high upfront cost. However, keep in mind the fees, especially if you're inactive or want to trade cryptocurrency. The platform is solid, but be aware of the costs involved and choose traders to copy wisely. If you want to replicate the success of millionaire traders, start copying the trades of experienced investors today with this link: https://lnk.do/09sqgt. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave your questions in the comments below.